I'm here today with Dharm, and Dharm, most recently you have had the opportunity to have some work done around your home with Total Home Services. Can you expand on your experience with them, please?
Yeah, my wife asked them to come in to help us with the duct because it wasn't working well. So our dryer wasn't working efficiently, and we thought maybe the ducts needed to be cleaned. So we asked the service to come in and give us a hand, and they came in to do a standard duct cleaning. They did that, and they did the best they could, it seems, and they went away, but the problem didn't get any better. And so we called them back and said, you know, we need some more help. It's not, what you did didn't work. And so they were very responsive, came back and helped us through the process. They found some extraordinary, I guess, problems. That was some of the old insulation had been stuffed into the duct, I guess, ever since the house had been built, and we weren't aware of this. So once that was discovered, they had some additional tools that they used to diagnose that, and then they told us what needed to be done, and we kind of went from there, and they provided the services that would help to alleviate the problem, and we were very happy with the service. They fixed the problem once they were able to diagnose it effectively, and I didn't expect them to do it the first time, given the extent of the issue, and you know, you don't expect to have things stuck in your duct. The other thing I liked was they were all very friendly. I mean, I was happy to have them here, and what was really important to me was they were very punctual. When they said they were going to come in at 9:30, they were there at 9:30, which makes my life a little easier. When you're busy, you need to have a set schedule and count on people to do what they say. And so they were very helpful. They kind of did more than was expected. I mean, we had to actually take down part of the wall, the drywall and things like that, to get access to actually remove the plugged material. You know, they didn't demand payment right away, which was wonderful. You know, they did half the job, they fixed it, and then they actually patched up the wall for us and told us they'd come back to do the rest of it. In the process, I forgot to tell you, they had to take some shelving down for us to gain access. It was quite a, you know, more convoluted than when we first made the call and said, come and give us a hand. So, but they, you know, over 2 or 3 trips afterwards, they were able to fix the problem and kind of make my house look normal again, and let us function. So we were quite happy with it overall, and very friendly, and like I said, on time, and it did a good job.
Excellent. So Dharm, what I hear, I think, in this is you wouldn't hesitate to recommend Total Home Services?
Oh no, anything that came up, I mean, those guys, especially once you've seen them before and you've worked with them, we'd be comfortable having them come again before anyone else who's new, right?
Yes.
So that's quite, we're quite satisfied.
Excellent. And I think maybe as well, part of your experience with them is they have the ability to go the extra mile when it comes to solving problems. They do have a very deep skill set when it comes to repairing around the house.
Yeah, you know, you could say we would have liked to have figured out what was wrong initially, but that's not what we'd called them for. They came in for a standard cleaning, they did what they thought they could do, and on further inspection and with using advanced equipment, they found what the actual problem was. And once that was discovered, I mean, it wasn't the routine job, so we had to look at it again. But it got fixed, and we were happy, and I think that the cost was reasonable as well. You know, it wasn't a standard easy clean, it was quite a bit more involved, and even after that they were quite helpful and reasonable.
Excellent. Dharm, thank you very much for your time today. It's been a pleasure talking to you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.